Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share a video here in between what I normally publish my videos on Fridays. So I just come back from my dealer Haneda and they have designed for themselves a custom decal. As you can see here, it's like a red decal that I've chosen for here in my tank, and I think it really suits the tank really good because it breaks down all of the grey colours and so forth. I've also asked Nozaki-san from Haneda whether or not these decals are available for non-Haneda people or non-people who are associated with Haneda here in Japan, and he said absolutely. So I would highly recommend anyone who's got a GSA like me or a GS 1300. I'm not sure if they fit the 1250, you'd have to ask them. But what do you think? I think it really looks awesome. It really brings that little bit of an accent to the tank as well, right? So I've chosen the red color here. So any one of you here in Japan, specifically in the Tokyo area, I would recommend you stop by if you want this, because there's limited editions of this available, and go and get yourself sorted, because yeah, it really makes the tank stand out really better. So guys, get in there before they get sold out, because I reckon they're awesome. Just a quick video. Hope you're all doing well, and see you all on the next video next Friday. Thanks guys, bye bye.